Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pancake syrup. To begin, gather your ingredients and tools. You will need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Also, have a medium saucepan and a whisk at hand. This straightforward recipe uses just a few common items you likely already have in your kitchen, making it incredibly easy to prepare. Now, let's combine our main ingredients. Pour 2 cups of granulated sugar and 1 cup of water into your medium saucepan. Begin stirring the mixture gently with your whisk. The goal here is to help the sugar dissolve into the water without causing it to stick to the sides of the pan. Gentle stirring prevents crystallization, ensuring a smooth and clear syrup. Next, we will cook the syrup. Place the saucepan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. It is important not to stir during this simmering phase. Remember, the syrup will continue to thicken as it cools, so avoid overcooking it to achieve the perfect consistency. Finally, let's add the finishing touches and prepare for storage. Remove the saucepan from the heat and carefully stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This adds a wonderful aroma and flavor. Allow your delicious homemade syrup to cool completely to room temperature before serving. For best results, store any leftover syrup in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.